Beauty Most Stylish Awards. This is the Mumbai edition, and we're talking about season 5. Right here on this red carpet, all your favorite celebrities will be walking in and talking to moi. Who are you wearing, Sona?
I'm wearing Ashi Studio.
Well, I'm just wearing a suit and got these earrings on and stuff like that.
I am wearing Masaba.
I did not put this together myself. This is Gucci.
I'm wearing Kiran Gupta.
I'm wearing Rahul Agasti.
I'm wearing Shiraz. I always wear Shiraz. He's my stylist forever.
Dior.
If there was one person you could wake up as, who would it be and what would you do as that person?
Sylvester Stallone, and I would go to the gym.
Angelina Jolie, she's super fit. What would I do? I go for a run.
I like a guy with a six-pack, totally ripped, lean look.
Angelina Jolie, and I would hug my husband.
2 years old child, because then I'll be able to spend my life again and I'll arrange it much better.
I want to have like one of those Cleopatra baths. Like I want to know what it feels like to spend like 3.5 hours in milk.
My girlfriend, because I think I'm very cute, so I'll probably hang out with me. I'd wake up as Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and head to a film set where I belong.
What was the last picture you took on your phone? Truthful.
Just now in the lift, I took a selfie.
Love it!
Me eating Assamese thali in Guwahati.
It was of a dancing peacock.
Just before I came in, I took a selfie.
Of this dress. I think naturally you have to like get all the poses right and see which works.
Probably a selfie right above in the room, as usual.
Picture of my daughter actually. She and I were wearing identical outfits.
दुबई में लिया था हाँ the last picture I said yeah I wrote that I didn't want to go out but my hair was so welcome that I had to.
What was the first thought that crossed your mind when you woke up this morning doing this?
Said, shit, I'm late, I'd better get to work.
Really? You worked and then you came looking like this?
Yeah, I freshened up a bit.
I'm really hungry. This morning it was. Other mornings it might have been something else, but this morning I was really hungry.
Then I have to ask you one last question. If you had only one thing that you could eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Pancakes with maple syrup and like whipped cream on top.
Cookies.
Biryani.
Sushi.
Butter chicken.
Bread and cheese. I'm sorry.
Okay, if there was one person, only one person that you could trust with your life, who would it be?
Not one yet. I've got a whole family. I've got my 3 kids, so they'll take care of me, I'm sure.
Yeah, my mom, obviously. I don't know that you would trust anybody else with your life because everybody would want to save their own lives. Nobody trusts me with their life. I'm a big coward. I would save myself first.
I think my dad, because he's like really adventurous and he's very smart in emergency situations.
My wife.
That's a very good answer. She's had your back in really hard times.
My sister, Riya Kapoor.
Difficult, yeah. I think there are a lot of people. It'll be unfair to call just one. I think I'll pick my dog.
What's your one style tip for the whole world to know?
Well, honestly, see, sometimes when I say this, the ladies who work with me, they say I'm wrong. But don't try to copy fashion. Be the fashion. And just be yourself and wear yourself with your attitude and a good perfume.
Welcome to the 5th edition of the Hindustan Times Most Stylish, which aims to celebrate style and decadence under the aegis of those who embody it. Hindustan Times in 10 years has become one of the strongest newspapers in Mumbai. It offers not just news from your neighborhood, but from across the country and world. It brings to you the daily dose of everything from politics to sports. HT Cafe redefines entertainment and lifestyle news, making your mornings completely complete. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to step on the gas pedal and put this night into high gear. To present this award, please welcome on stage Malaika Arora and Mr. Byung Son Lee, Director, Korea Tourism Organization, India.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner in this category is Mr. Imtiaz Ali.
Thank you. The Hindustan Times most stylish fashion personality,
Kunal Rawal.
Our winner tonight is someone who has been breaking things, whether it's the hearts of young women or the norm with his roles in theatre, television and film. To give out this award, I'd like to welcome on stage Govinda and Mr. Samir Lalani, Managing Director, Rosta.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Thank you so much. Back in school, they used to say, he who thinks he can and he who thinks he can't are both usually right. And I think they were probably right. So thank you so much for this. Really appreciate it.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for the Hindustan Times most stylish writer or columnist. It is an important category. Some great writing has been experienced in the last couple of years, and they totally deserve to be honored tonight. To present this award, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Bhumi Pednekar and Arshad Vasi.
Hindustan Times most stylish writer, Shwetan Bachchan Nanda.
Thank you so much, Hindustan Times, for the award. And I owe everything I have to my parents and my genetics. So thank you, Mama and Papa.
Congratulations, Shweta. Siddharth Malhotra and Pariniti Chopra on stage. This is for someone who makes all the world's stage look like a cakewalk. To present this award, please welcome on stage none other than the legend himself, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Hindustan Times most stylish global style icon.
Yeah.
That was truly a stunning performance by Rais and Shalmali. Please give them a huge round of applause. I would like to call on stage actor Swara Bhaskara to present the award for Tangerine Presents Hindustan Times Most Stylish Portrayal of Women of Substance to Sonam Kapoor for Neerja.
You can only be stylish if you have a little bit of substance in you. But I think the most substantial thing a woman can do is stand up for other women and stand up for what she thinks is right. I'm very proud to be very proud to be a feminist, and I'm very, very proud that my behan Swara Bhaskar is standing right next to me, giving me this award, and I dedicate it to her.
Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for this award. And have a great evening, everybody. Thank you.
To present the award for the Lorman Page 3 Presents Hindustan Times Most Stylish Actor, may I request Mr. Hiten Jain, Director Lorman Page 3, and again Mr. Anil Kapoor to come up on stage, please, and do the honors.
And the Lorman Page 3 Presents HT Most Stylish Actor goes to none other than the red man there, Ranveer Singh!
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. To be honest, I won't take too much of your time. All I want to say is that I would encourage everybody to be like that. Express yourself, whatever you're feeling, have no filters, and be fearless. Don't overthink it. Just whatever you're feeling, just go ahead and do it and express yourself. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It feels wonderful to be here. Thank you.
I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Anand Mulraj Thakkar, Managing Director, Versatile Housing, Kalki K. Klein, and Tavishi Petandi Rastogi, Editor, Entertainment and Lifestyle, HT Capital. Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen. This award belongs to those who have followed their own style instead of copying tested trends. To present this award, please welcome on stage Dabu Ratnani and Tanya Ghavri.
Adya Shetty.
Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the original style icon. I'd like to invite on stage none other than Anil Kapoor to award Sanjay Dutt.
I just want to say it's good to be back.
Whoa.
Thanks a lot. I love you all. Thank you.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Global Style Icon. Because no matter how many languages you say it in, style is universal. This is for someone who makes all the world's stage look like a cakewalk. To present this award, please welcome on stage none other than the legend himself, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Whoa.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Global Style Icon, Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you very much, first of all, Amiji, for taking your time to come and present this award. And I can't have a better feeling than the fact that you're the one who's giving this to me. So thank you very much, Hindustan Times. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, everyone, for thinking that I'm the global style icon. This is very, very embarrassing.
To give away the next award, I would request Mr. Javed Akhtar and Shabana Azmi, accompanied by Mr. Shomu Bhattacharya, editor, Hindustan Times, Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for none other than Rekha ji.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to dedicate this award to all the timeless people who inspired and nurtured me. Thank you, Hindustan Times. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Javed Saab. Thank you, Shabana ji. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Rekha ji. Thank you, Shabana ji. Thank you, Javed Saab. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Lifetime Style Icon. To present this award, I'd like to welcome on stage Mrs. Jaya Bachchan. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Lifetime Style Icon is none other than the legend himself, Dharmender ji.
हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स की तरफ से ये मोस्ट स्टाइलिश किस्म का अनोखा अवार्ड फंक्शन मैंने ज़िंदगी में पहली बार देखा है। हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स को बधाई देता हूँ, पहली बार इस फंक्शन में आया हूँ। अगर इस तरह के फंक्शन होते रहे तो मैं यकीनन आता रहूँगा। जीते रहो, खुश रहो, और आप सब जो भी यहाँ आए हैं सबको बहुत सा प्यार।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to say goodbye as we draw the curtains on the 5th edition of the Hindustan Times Most Stylish 2016. Good night. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us tonight.
Varun, how does it feel to be recognized as one of the most stylish men in the country?
It's pretty cool, yeah, and I think winning for something like Reader's Choice makes it even cooler because eventually, as an actor, as a performer, you're working for what the audience thinks, you know?
Well, it's an honor, I do things from my heart.
Well, I'm quite honored. It's exciting to be, receiving an award like this. It's a prestigious award. Thank you so much.
What is the one style lesson you would like your children to know from you?
My style lesson to my kids is that just be happy in what you're wearing, if that's style. If clothes style, or just be your personality, just be your person, that's all.
What's really important is for you to be comfortable in what you're wearing, feel comfortable in your skin and dress according to your body type. And then I think you can own anything you wear.
Did you enjoy getting dressed up as a kid? Was that?
Yeah, I used to play dress up all the time. In fact, I used to dress up like all my screen idols. So we used to dress up like Mr. Bachchan, wear those shades that he wore in Agnipath. I remember I used to dress like Amir Khan, when he had that bandage in that movie, I used to dress up like that. And when Shah Rukh Khan had that little cool wala chain in Kuch Kuch Hota, I had that. I've always looked up to my screen idols.
Who's the person you saw tonight that really blew you away with what they were wearing? Who did you find really stylish who's here tonight?
Karan Johar on stage and Sonam Kapoor off stage.
I love what Athiya was wearing. I think she took it to another level, but she didn't go for the usual dress. She went for a tux, and I think that was really sexy and very cool at the same time.
Describe tonight in one word.
Shining.
Beautiful.
Great evening.
Fun, stylish, and Bollywood, endearing and magical.
Tonight was lovely. It was lovely. It's great to see Dharamji, Sanju sir, seeing him after really long. It's always a privilege to be in the same room with Mr. Khan, Mr. Bachchan. And I was very, very happy to have met all these people.
It has been one exciting evening here at the HT Most Stylish Awards 2016, the 5th edition, right here at the Taj Lands End, Mumbai. There were some killer performances, and well, the room was buzzing with creative energy, and that's what we did. We celebrated style, we celebrated fashion, and until next year, stay stylish.